Hello everyone, we're back to Lemon Code 21. In this session, we'll learn the standard library of Golang. This video is just a sharing of how I learned Golang, and hopefully it can help you too. Let's get started. Here's the agenda we'll cover while learning standard library Golang. First, we'll begin with the FMT package. FMT package. Previously, we have frequently used the FMT package by utilizing the println function. Besides println, there are many other functions available in the FMT package, commonly used for formatting purposes. There are many functions that we can use in the FMT package. Let's start by creating a project. You can open your code editor for this. We'll create the project by typing go mod init project name. Then, let's create the main function. We can print to the console using the println function. After running it, you'll see the output in the console. Next, we can use printf to format the output using format strings to adjust the layout. Let's declare a variable name with the value John and a variable age with the value 30. Then, we'll try to print these variables using printf. Okay, let's write the name here and add %s, while for age we add %d. Don't forget to call the variable after the comma. If you prefer not to use printf, you can use print, but you'll need to manually control the layout unlike printf, which just requires placing the format %. We try to run it, the result is the same. The FMT package in Go provides functions for formatting input and output. It offers a variety of functions such as print, println, and printf for printing to the console, as well as sprint for formatting strings without printing them immediately.